Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm preparing to go for my walk, and I want to thank my subscribers for supporting me in this effort to a healthy journey. Thank you so much for encouraging me. Thank you so much for telling me that I have inspired you. Also, thank you for letting me know what you are doing. Waking up early in the morning, going for your walks, exercising. We have to take care of ourselves. And I thank you for your support. Thank you so much. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting on? Go ahead. Click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know when I upload a video. My last video, I showed you how I prepared my hair for my walk. I shampooed my hair yesterday, and now I'm getting ready to go for a walk. I took my hair out. I had this wonderful braid out. Now I have my hair in 4 sections. Not really knowing what I'm going to do, but we're going to work this out together. Yes, we are. And if you noticed, yesterday, I made my own smoothie. The smoothie place I went to yesterday was closed. I was disappointed. I came home and made my smoothie. And if you did not see that smoothie and the recipe, I will put a link to it in the cards right up here so that you can go back and see what I placed in that smoothie. It was really good. It was good. My husband had one as well. So now I'm going to take this section. I am going to braid it down the back. Now that I've thought about it for a couple of seconds, I'm going to braid this down the back. Now I have some news that I also want to share with you. I have been waiting and watching in anticipation for when my name would be placed on the Sisterlock Registry as a trainee. I took the class in July, the end of July, and I, along with other members of the class, have been communicating and just waiting and waiting to see our names. That's what we were waiting for. Just to see our names. You know, that's like when you're graduating from college or high school. You march in, you look at your program, and you look for your name. It's an exciting thing just to see your name. Well, yesterday evening, I went to the Sisterlock site for South Carolina under Orangeburg. And guys, I saw my name. It was so exciting to see my name. I think now that some people will really take me a little bit more seriously when they go to the site and they see my name. It's easy to say I'm a trainee, but you're not listed. Yeah, but you're not listed. Made me also think about, sometimes we say that we are Christians, but in the end, will your name be listed? Will God say to you, well done, good and faithful servant? Will he say that? Will we accept his son and live a life so that we can hear our names? Yeah, it's just really exciting to know that if I go out there, if you go out there to sisterlock.com, if you go to sisterlock.com, yes, look for a trainee under Orangeburg, South Carolina, you will see my name. Yes, you will. And I want you to go look and see my name. And then you can come back to the comments and just type my name, letting me know what you saw under Orangeburg, South Carolina. There's only 2 of us, 2 listed. And I am now going to try to get my name changed to the approved list by doing what's necessary to get that done. But you know what? We can't do that on our own. We can't get to the approved list on our own. Someone is going to have to give us a chance to prove ourselves. So I need clients that will give me a chance. Now, I do have a few consultations already scheduled, and so I am on my way. I am on my way, and I thank God for that. I keep telling you that God is good. He's awesome. He's wonderful. He cares for me. He wants me to do well. He knows the plans He has for me. And that's why I walk in His will and in His way. I just thank God for His presence in me and what He's doing through me. Yes, we are friends. We are definitely friends. I'm going to show you what this looks like in the back. And I'm going to look and see what it looks like in the back. Okay. That's going to work for me. I'm going to do this one. And yes, I do know that I did 2 braids in the back, and I'm doing flat twists in the front. Now this side is the hardest for me to do because it's hard for me to, I won't say hard, but it's challenging to twist this side of my hair. And I stopped talking so I could concentrate. I'm gonna twist these 2 together, and then I'm gonna braid the end. Tuck it back in where it was. I'm gonna add my goodie clip to the end of my hair. Okay, and yes, I am listed on the sisterlock.com registry as a trainee. Please go out there and take a look at it. Come back, tell me what my name is on the registry. Just thank you. I thank God for all that He does. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers and my followers. But I especially love God. Because He keeps blessing me over and over again. Even when things are challenging, I still recognize His blessings. When things don't seem to be going right, God is still God. He was God before it went wrong. He'll be God until forever and forever. Have a great day.